Hello, Namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Oh, the same from your side. Why? You are shocked by looking at the title. I am speaking the right thing. Yes, Donald Trump is right. He is not wrong. He is the President of America. It is his right to have the foreign policy according to their needs. For example, is it not your right to allow others to get into your house or say no? Yes, it is your right. Whether you should allow others to enter your house or not. In the same way, Mr. Trump is right, 100% right he is. When his own people, American citizens, Americans, natives of America, are not getting the jobs, he has to look after them. So, he is right. So many people have heard, they just use so many words that are this and that. No, he is 100% right. Then what about us? We have to look about our own selves. And mind you, I am telling again and again, don't get disturbed. Have confidence. It may take 6 months at least. A revolution is going to take place. We will be the topmost in the digital area. Yes. Today what has happened? We work for somebody else. We go there as workers. Yes, it might be skilled workers, that is all. Now, when you come back, you will work for your country, for your own self. You will be with your own people. And now, when we have realized the need, we will have R&D, research and development. Till now, what we were doing? We were working on contract, taking their work, finishing it off, giving it off. In between, whatever profit we used to gain. But now, we have to think about R&D as well. And we will do it. And our people are able. And we have to compete with others, not only with America, we have to compete with China and all other countries of the world. So it is a great opportunity. It is a great opportunity, and see if our own people are working there and doing a lot, why can't they work here? Definitely they will do. I don't have any doubt. And see, my words are 100% right. You will realize, wait for 6 months. In between, we have to face so many challenges. I know it is not so easy as we speak. Even for those people, when they have come from America and settled down here, it won't be so easy. Not at all. I do agree. But if you want to have growth, you should come out from your comfort zone. So here what is happening now? It is only you are coming out from your comfort zone. So you feel a little bit because you were comfortable there. Now you have to struggle here. You are coming out of the comfort zone. And you are doing something on your own. So, first thing is be positive. And this positive attitude will increase the confidence which is there in you. Don't get disturbed. Don't get disturbed. Many are disturbed, I know that. And not only that, so many people are just telling what they should do now. Now whether our engineers have to end their lives. Why they will end their lives? They will work here. That is all. No one is going to end their lives. And moreover, you are knowing, whatever happens, it happens for good. If you have read about, let me go a little bit back into our Indian history. In the beginning, you are knowing, Captain Gopinath, he had started airlines which was called, I think, Udan. And it was moving about inside the country. But to have the trips to the foreign countries, you should have at least 3 years experience and all such conditions were there. So, Kingfisher bought this from Captain Gopinath. In the beginning, he felt bad. And Kingfisher started flying to Sri Lanka and here and there. And later on, you are knowing, they were not able to even pay the rent of the air stations, and so many problems came up. So what happened to Captain Gopinath? It was for good. So even today, whatever is happening today, though our skilled people are returning from India, now it is brain gain. It is not drain. Till now it was brain drain. But now we are having the brain gain. Now they will start, many of them I am sure, they will start their own setups. And naturally they will be able to give jobs to so many. And in due course, it will develop. So whatever has happened today, I am 100% sure that Donald Trump has helped India. He has made us to realize what powers we are having, what capacity we are having, what is our efficiency. He has realized it. So no need to cry over it, no need to scold or tell anything bad about Trump, because he has helped us. He has helped us. We should thank him. And it is because of him we are going to be the masters in the digital world. In all the digital equipments, it might be production or whatever it is. Whatever is needed, we are going to do it. And you are knowing, it has already started. It is not that now we are going to start from zero. No, the things have already started. Just wait for 6 months. We are going to have a digital revolution, and whole world will look at India as the leader of this digital revolution. So don't get scared. Many people are thinking, and see, whatever happens, it is their policy after all. It is Americans' policy, their foreign policy. It is left to them whom to allow to enter or whom to stop. So we can't tell that, no, our government is not able to do this. No, we can't interfere in their politics, external policy. As we Indians, we are having our own external policy. In the same way, they are having their own foreign policy. and let them follow it. Nothing wrong in that. So, Donald Trump is not at all wrong. At least I will tell, thank you, Mr. Trump. Have a good day.